Grabe naman to, umagang-umaga, nagpapa-cocktail tayo.
Huwag kayong mag-alala. Mocktail lang to, Miss Reg. Walang alcohol.
O, pero ikaw, lasing ka na.
Akala ko kasi
Lagi naman. Lagi naman.
Grabe naman. Ano ba yung mocktails kasi?
Drinks na walang alcohol. Pero
Non-alcoholic
parang,
siya.
Meron tayong special guest.
Ay! Ito naman pala si ano. Ano nga pangalan mo?
Clayton.
Clayton. Ang ganda naman ang pangalan ni Clayton.
Clayton ang magpapakita sa atin kung paano gumawa ng mocktails.
Mocktails. O ayan, magpaturo na tayo kay Clayton muna.
Clayton.
Ng mocktails. Kakain ako ng krope.
Ano bang gagawin natin dito?
Ang taray.
Tsaka pang Buddha Bar 2, no? Social ko.
Crystal Protect.
Meron tayong dalawang special mocktails.
Tama-tama, kailangan ko ng drink.
Yes. Na kayang gawin everywhere. So very simple siya. One is like yung apple mojito,
Okay.
but no alcohol.
No alcohol.
And then one is a strawberry and lychee fizz.
Okay, fizz. Okay. Like your fizz.
Ay! So we have here,
Check.
we call
Fruit
this
tayo.
one the Buddha attitude. Fruits muna.
Fruits.
So and then you just
Very good, Clayton.
ayan, i-press.
I will
Press
mash
from
it. I will
Madeleine.
mash it.
Oh, you mash
You
it.
mash it. You model it in his word.
I see.
Tapos, ano susunod dyan,
Yung
Clayton?
vanilla syrup. As the
Vanilla syrup. Gano'ng kadami to?
thing. Up to your liking kung gaano.
Up to your
Okay.
Okay.
Ginaganya si ate, mabus.
Yes, and then now you can put the
Ice. Ay, ayan, oh!
Yan. Ayan na, ayan na.
and then boost mo na
This is cranberry juice.
Cranberry.
I love cranberry juice.
Yun. Looks good. Stir it.
Ayan. Okay na.
Madali lang.
Dali lang.
Oh, super dali.
Sarap.
Crush ice ulit.
Crush ice ulit to the top.
Okay. Anong
Soda.
lasa? Soda.
Soda.
Yan.
Ay, sarap niya.
Konti lang yung soda.
Konti lang.
Okay.
Just
Thirst
one.
quencher.
And then, para magmukhang presentable naman yung drink.
Lalagyan ko
you
ng
have to add
croquette.
that. Pwede rin. On the side. You can either choose lychee or strawberry. Yung papatong mo lang sa
Para
ibabaw
design
as
lang.
garnish.
Ganyan. Presentation.
Parang maganda yung ganon.
There you go. That's the Buddha attitude ala Miss Regine.
Ay, meron ka ng drink.
Yes, meron na akong drink. Pwede na ako uminom. Uy, masarap.
Masarap.
In fairness, parang may alcohol pero wala.
It gives that natural kick. Ito, paano naman to, brother?
Okay.
Ako naman ang
Very
gagawa.
simple naman. Minsan, like traditional mojito, pero wala lang tayong alak.
Okay, okay.
So, to
Mojito.
start, so you start with putting 2 large slices of lime. And then, same.
Mash din.
Mash
release the
it.
juice.
Mash it.
Release the crack.
So, vitamin juice.
Okay.
And
Next.
then, kuha ng at least a handful of mint juice. Then, you just slap it na.
Slap it.
Yan.
Ay,
and then
slap
just put
it.
Okay, vanilla again.
around 2 bar spoons. 2 spoons.
Okay, crushed ice. Feel it.
And then you put the apple juice. And
Okay.
then you stir it. So, para
Stir it.
tumaas yung...
Ito.
Yes.
Okay. We gotta stir it.
May sa kitchen.
Oy, kayo Meron may private
Alam na lang.
rendezvous
Top with the crush ice again.
Okay, top with the crushed ice again. Ayan, ayan, ayan.
And
Alam mo,
add that in. Yeah.
parang bagay ito dun sa ipapaturo ko dun sa chef sa kusina.
Malalaman
pairing.
natin ito,
I-pair natin.
Sarap
Good,
eh.
very good.
O tapos,
And
ano pa?
then, like, presentation wise, you just put
Presentation?
yan.
Ayan.
Ganyan
ayan.
lang. Yeah.
Okay.
There.
That's it. Done.
Yung sa akin,
Wala.
may cropek eh.
Presentation-wise, diba?
Sweet and salty.
Para pagka inom kain, inom, ganyan.
Diba?
Okay.
Pak.
Very nice, very nice. O, tapos ka na tikman to.
Ay, tikman nyo na. O sige, habang nagtititimang kayo dyan, practice yun yung paggagawa ng cocktails.
Okay.
O, bye-bye.
Tikman na lang. Bye, Miss Wes.
Sige,
See you
bye-bye.
later. Thanks, Layton.
Thank you.